Hey boys and girls and parents, it's Miss Carter, and I'm going to show you guys how to get logged on to Google Meet. Now this is how to get on a computer. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to log on to your account. Okay, so I'm going to log on to my account. When you're doing this, I would like you to log on to your student's account, your child's account. So that would be their iStation username with @mesquiteisd.org. Okay, and once you're logged on, you can go to your search engine. So go to Google, and it's not letting me do that, so give me a second. And I'm going to type in Google Meets. Okay, once I'm there, I'm going to click on Meet Google, and I'm going to input our meeting code. Now our meeting code is going to be the same thing every single day. And that code is going to be posted on class tag. I have it set to go off at 6 a.m. Monday morning. And the code is this number right here. It is XRDSFRPJVJ. So if I put that in, all I have to do is hit continue. And it's going to ask me if I'm ready to join. Now this computer does not have a camera, so it does not, you guys can't see me, okay? Now your phone does have a Google Meet app. You just have to go to your app store and download Google Meets and open up the app. Another way you could go straight to the Meet, which I'm sure some of you have done in the past, is just to click on the link that I've provided, and it will take you straight to Google Meets. Okay, I hope that answers any questions you have. I hope you guys have a great day. I miss you, and hopefully this helps. Okay, bye.